In this episode, we're going to change the font size from this to this. How do you do that? Here's how to do it in 3 seconds or less. You go to Settings, you scroll down to Accessibility. In Accessibility, you go to Display and Text Size. You then click on Larger Text. You click on Larger Accessibility Size, and then you scroll. You can choose to scroll from middle to big. Just like that. And you choose your size. And this is the biggest one they can get to. And so your text look like that now. You can also easily just choose the smallest possible size as well. And they'll look that small. It doesn't affect everything though. Like for example, we're on the biggest size possible. And we're in my YouTube app right now on iPhone. And just subscribe to the channel, by the way, for more fun Apple videos. But you can see here the buttons up here are big. Videos, Shorts, Live. Everything that's on the YouTube app by itself, the titles are still the same size. So we're going to adjust this accessibility back to normal. That's the original. You can see the buttons are now smaller in size, but the iPhone titles are still the same for on YouTube. One more time. Big. See, the buttons are now bigger. So certain things change and certain things don't change. Another example, here we are in Safari on the Apple website. We're changing it to original size, and on the original size, that's the website. Now we're going to change it to the largest size possible, and that's still the website, so nothing changed on the Apple website. Thank you for watching Everyday Apple Living, your guide to living with Apple every day. I'm your host, Jack. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got value from this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel for some more Apple tips. I wanted to update my goal from 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year to 1 million subscribers. Help me hit that big 1 million mark. At the time of this video, we're at 1,291 subscribers, so we still got over 900,000 subs to go. Help me create content for YouTube full time. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, which happens to be, watch this video to how to turn on dark mode for your iPhone, so it's better for your eyes.